guys, good morning, and we're now here. We're going to remove or replace the ball race. So this is what we're going to use for the replacement. There you go. Suntao. Ayaw. Yan. With steel ball grease. Yan. So, Suntao products. So, ito siya. Ito natin. Kasi may kanto na yung tsaka pumapaling na sa kanan. At may kanto na yung existing ball base. So, let's go! We're going to remove, of course, the front flarings. And also the headlight cowling. This one. And this one. This two and this two. Okay. There are 3 bolts that holds this fender. All of them are 10mm bolts. I'll remove the wheels and then I'll be removing the plates and I'll set it aside. And I may need to remove the shocks, but I don't think so. And then after that, the T-post. I've removed almost everything. And then the next that we're going to remove is this T-post. So I removed my gloves because I have to assist my child, children. Okay, so here's the upper ball race. And then beneath it, it's of course the lower ball race. Here it is. There. So that's what we need to replace. And there's the this is a bearing. So we'll have to remove this one too, okay? To show you these. See those grooves? Okay, so that's what's causing it to be notchy when you turn it. So that's the reason why we need to replace it. Okay? Okay, there you go. So you see that? And it's so makanto already, right? That's why when you turn the wheels, it's notchy. You're not able to turn it very well. And if you let's say you're cornering, it's like it'll fall here, and then if you move it in between, it will fall on the other one. It's really unsafe. So it's better to check this. This is the bottom ball race. So it's better to check this and have it replaced as soon as possible time. So it took me a long time to remove this from the T-post. So we also need to remove this. It's the bottom part of the ball race. Yeah, I need to catch my breath because I really have to remove it. And see those grooves? Oh my god, look at that. And here are our new replacements. See, everything's clean, top and bottom. So there. So I'll start installing these on the T-post and of course the steering shaft. Okay, see you later. Okay, so this is the bottom ball race. This one goes to the T-post and this one goes to the steering column. So it's like placed like that. Steering column, ball race, and then T-post. Okay? There we go. Same goes to the upper ball race. So this one goes to the steering column, the bottom one. This one is at the top. Okay, so we're almost done. What I did to hammer it down or to put it in place is, of course, to hammer it with this. Now my only problem is at the bottom because I can't hammer it anymore since I already have installed this here. I hammered it down, so I will be having issues at the bottom here. Uh, this one. So I should have had this installed before I hammered it here. So anyway, I'll just figure it out later. We're almost done. I was able to insert or install the here. This one. There you go. So what I did, install the T-post first. Okay, and then I screw it, and then I hammered the bottom to ensure that the lower bearing is installed properly. So I used this as a guide since it matches the outer lip of both bearings, so that should be okay. You won't have any damage with the bearings. So I will install it now, and I'll test drive it later. I'll show you when it's done. Thank you so much. Install the T-post. There you go, and there are no feeling that it's grooved anymore. So later we'll do some adjustments after I test drive it to make sure that it's snug, not too tight, but it must be snug, so I could freely move it like this. But this one I can already feel the bearings moving, so, and it shouldn't have any lateral or upward movements. Otherwise, you know, that would break the bearings again or put some notches on the bearings. Okay, so this one's actually, this bearings at the bottom actually is the one that's receiving all the thrust, and the top one isn't much so that's fine. So pardon the sounds, someone's singing in the background, so I'll just install everything up and then make some necessary adjustments after I test drive. Okay? Okay, so we're almost done. I just need to put back all the flarings again, and I already made some adjustments. How did I know? So I test drive the bike and then use the brakes. Make sure that there are no jerky movements. That would ruin the ball bearings again. But this time everything's all okay. It's tight already, and it should be okay when driving. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Watch out for my next video. Take care. Bye bye.